Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Gopalan, psychologist, Child Life Services. Today we are going to talk a little bit about children. The minute we say child, we think of different developmental ages, but what I'm going to say is suitable for children across all the age groups. Nowadays, life has become very busy, so the time we spend with the precious little ones are not as much as it is supposed to be. I had a parent recently who said that just yesterday, she was this much and now she's this tall. Time flies. So, what are the few ways of capturing these precious moments because they are not going to come back to you? How many of us hug our children? How many of us kiss our children every single day? Sometimes the children get irritated. We want that irritation. Mommy, leave me. Daddy, please don't do this. But they like it. This is what they remember. This is the memories that we are creating. How many of us do that? How many of us spend some time listening to them go on and on and on and on? Sometimes we don't have the time. We have our own baggage. And sometimes we make our children carry that baggage, which is not fair. So probably the 20 minutes of undivided attention, and point to be noted, no advice, no suggestions. The minute the child finishes one sentence, I have seen a lot of us giving advice, suggestions, you could have done this, you could have done that. Child is not asking you or telling you because it wants to hear something from you. Just like how you want someone to listen to you, the child also wants someone to listen to. And as the child grows up into an adolescent and a young adult, what you do at the young age is what will make the child come back to you. So if you want your child to come back to you and tell you everything and have the trust on you, you have to build that trust right from the time they are toddlers. Listen to them. If they say, I have a boo-boo, kiss the boo-boo. It's okay. Make them feel that yes, I am there, I understand, I am here for you. But that again has to have a balance. Wrong is wrong. You can tell them it's wrong, and tell them that sorry, this is not acceptable. So disciplining and love goes hand in hand. So parenting is not an easy job. There is no guidebook, there is no rule book. You just become parents all of a sudden and you plow your way through. So happy parenting. It's a wonderful adventure, but the responsibility is huge because you're giving birth to individuals who are going to shape the next generation. So that's an immense load of responsibility, but it's an amazing journey. So all the best with loads and loads and loads of love and kindness towards the small little ones that you have at home. All the best.